Hello, good afternoon to Member Monday. I'm Daphne Doody-Green. I'm the CEO of the Bathroom Association, and I'm delighted to have Mark Morris with us today, who is the Head of Marketing, and from Thomas Dudley, so a long-standing member of the Bathroom Association. So we're delighted to have you on Member Monday today. So can you tell us a little bit about Thomas Dudley to get us started?
Yeah. Hi, Daphne. Well, Thomas Dudley's been around for well over 100 years now, based right here in Dudley in the heart of the Midlands. We manufacture on site. We employ about 450, 500 people across a couple of sites around the Midlands. We operate our own foundry. And right here where I'm pointing away, you can't see, but just over the way there is where our manufacturing site is, where we make all our toilet cisterns, our siphons, inlet valves, outlet valves, and pretty much anything that it was within our range, really.
Great. And so 2026, it feels like it's only just started, but we're already in March. It's going fast. What are your priorities for this year? You know, what are you working on for 2026 and beyond?
Well, we're always looking to improve our product ranges. We've always got to focus on how can we improve our products to be more sort of efficient in what they do. And one of those is our new Turbo Edge Quantum, which is our new brand new push button operated siphon. So we developed this product because toilet flush valves have a habit of leaking quite a lot, and siphons never leak due to the way that they're designed. But a lot of people like to have a button that operates within the toilet system, operates it because they quite like the look. So we came up with this. It took quite a few years to actually develop it. We've got an original Quantum siphon, but this is our Turbo Edge siphon, where there is a button. Imagine there would be a button on the top. You'd press the button and it would lift up and flush the toilet from button operated. And because of the way it's designed from a siphon, it will never leak. So it solves a huge problem. Most people don't realise, but there's enough water leaking from sort of flush valves within the UK to fill 4 million bathfuls of water every single day. Wow. This is a product that's designed to help fix that problem. So we're doing a lot of work on this, a lot of work on our other products as well. And we've recently acquired a brand called Angel Guard, which is a product that works. You connect it to your water system and it detects water flow and basically monitors for things like Legionnaire's disease, and can actually give out early warnings that there might be a problem. So we're looking at water safety as well as water saving, and that's kind of our sort of big drive for this year.
Great, and thank you for sharing that. And it's great to see innovation and expansion, you know, in terms of what you've talked about. So just coming back to water safety and saving, you know, what other initiatives are you working on in that space?
Well, we're doing a lot of work down in Parliament. We're trying to influence the politicians to take this problem seriously. I think it's been on the news recently about how much sewage gets flooded into the sea and the rivers. So we want to try and sort of get the message across that if they change legislation a little bit to sort of to limit that you can't fit a product that's not been approved, that doesn't fit legislations, then we shouldn't be able to do that. And fitting products that they know are going to leak is not really a good way forward. Siphons, you know, it's a proven technology that doesn't leak. So we're talking to politicians just to try and get them on board that there is a problem, and it can save an awful lot of water if they just made some minor changes to some legislation and sort of said, look, okay, we're going to take this problem seriously. We'll look at what we can do. So we've had meetings with quite a few politicians. I've got another meeting on Friday.
Fantastic.
And we're just trying to sort of bring some knowledge where there isn't knowledge. Some people, you know, it's a leaking toilet. A lot of people don't even notice that their toilet's leaking, but it's a huge amount, and it costs £300 to £400 a year for an average family. That's how much extra it costs in water, and you know, you need to get a plumber out to fix it. So if we can reduce that, we're saving people a lot of money, and we're also saving an awful lot of water for the country. So we worked on this last year, but this year we're really having a big push just to try and get the politicians to take this seriously, that there is an issue, and you know, we can all work together to fix the leaky loo problem.
Absolutely. And I think that's, you know, I know that's something that the Bathroom Association has certainly been involved in as well. And I think that kind of collective influence in this space is hugely important. But, you know, as you said, education as well. Sometimes it's about educating the consumer.
It is, yeah. It's letting people, you know, we've been sent out, we've made some videos on, you know, how bad the situation is, and we've been sharing that on social media and just trying to sort of let people know, look, this is how you test, you know, put a bit of toilet paper on the back of the pan. If it gets wet, you know, you've got a leak, and get your leak sorted quickly, because it might not look like a major problem, but I mean, one of our product ambassadors said to us, you know, you wouldn't leave a tap running all day. So why would you leave your toilet running all day? And yeah, that's the message that we need to get across to people in the wider sort of environment. Say, look, get your toilet fixed. And if you're going to fix it, ask for a siphon to be fitted, because then you're solving your problem now and you won't have that problem again in the future.
Okay, well, I'm sold on what you've just said. So, and anything else coming up for the rest of the year, or it's pretty much, you know, said?
Yeah, we've got some exciting plans for the year. But we're all looking forward to the installer show, where we're going to have a big stand and encourage people to come and see us. I think see some of our new innovations on the stand. Our mascot might have an appearance there again this year.
Oh, fantastic! I look forward to it. It's my first installer, so I'm looking forward to it.
It's a great time. You can come on our stand. We always have a bar on our stand, and it becomes like a bit of a social hub for the plumbers. So, you know, you're more than welcome to come over and spend a bit of time with us, as is anyone who's listening to this.
Absolutely. So you're all invited, whoever's listening. Well, look, that's the end. It's very quick, but hugely informative. And, you know, thank you very much, Mark, for joining us today, and have a good day.
No problem, Daphne. You too. Thanks very much.
Thank you.